Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to install headlight grill, GPS mount and heel guard on your bike. This is the headlight grill. This is the right heel pad. This one is the crossbar. This is the GPS mount or mobile mount you can say. I don't know what it is called exactly. And this one is the tail rack. I got these products from Amazon except this one. I bought this heel pad from Royal Enfield spare part shop. I'll give you the link in the description below. So let's start with the GPS mount. The GPS mount will fit somewhere here. First we will open this headlight, open these caps and loosen up the bolts here and this side here. You need a 6 mm Allen key to remove this bolt inside this cap. Now take the visor out. We need a Phillips head screwdriver for this. Remove those screws and take this out. These stock screws are little smaller in size. So I got this M6 25 mm Allen bolts and some nuts and some washers. I bought this from Amazon. I'll give you the link in the description. This GPS mount will be fixed here like this. This will go inside of this mounting clamp. This is the mounting clamp, this one and this one. First you fix the headlight grill here, here and here, and the visor and the GPS mount will go up here in this hole. Now let's come to the heel pad. This is basically Continental GT's right heel pad, or you can say rear brake cylinder guard. This is the rear brake cylinder. If any stone or anything hits this part, it will get damaged. So this heel pad will protect your. This is very easy to fix. Just remove this and these two bolts and fix it here like this. Okay, so everything is done now. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share and comment. Thank you.